Best fabric seat stain removers restore cleanliness, remove deep stains, eliminate odors, preserve upholstery quality, and extend vehicle interior lifespan effectively. My today's video is about top 5 best fabric seat stain removers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater is a powerful, fast-acting solution designed for busy households dealing with everyday messes. Its lightning-fast formula works effectively on clothes, upholstery, and carpets, making it a versatile cleaning essential. EPA's Safer Choice certification ensures a healthier cleaning experience without compromising stain-fighting strength. It tackles both fresh and set-in stains such as baby food, juice, ketchup, formula, and even blood. Perfect for infants, toddlers, and adults, it handles messy moments with ease and reliability. Simply spray, gently rub if needed, and wash as usual for best results every time. Even stubborn stains respond well after repeat treatment, saving clothes from being discarded too early. This stain remover is a reliable, family-friendly choice for maintaining fresh, clean fabrics daily. It reduces stress during laundry emergencies and helps extend the life of clothing and home textiles significantly. Overall, it delivers convenience, safety, and powerful stain removal in one easy-to-use spray solution. Highly recommended for families everywhere. Now our second product is Car Guy's Super Cleaner. Car Guy's Super Cleaner lives up to the hype by delivering a powerful, modern cleaning experience powered by advanced nanotechnology. Unlike traditional cleaners that only work on surface level, this formula lifts dirt and grime at the molecular level, ensuring a deeper and more effective clean. It simplifies your cleaning routine by replacing multiple specialized products with one true all-in-one solution, saving both time and money. Suitable for a wide range of surfaces including upholstery, fabric, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, wood trim, and metal, it handles everything from grease and bird droppings to tree sap with ease. Its versatility makes it ideal for both interior and exterior vehicle care. However, it is not recommended for glass or delicate screens. Proudly made in the USA with a strong focus on quality, it also stands out for its responsive customer support. Overall, it's a reliable, efficient, and high-performance multi-surface cleaner for everyday use. Our third product is Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The SPI 22016 All-in-One Car Interior Cleaner is a highly versatile solution trusted by car enthusiasts and professional detailers for maintaining a clean, refreshed cabin. Designed to safely clean leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and even glass, it delivers a streak-free, factory-fresh finish across multiple surfaces. Whether it's dashboards, seats, door panels, trim, or infotainment screens, this formula gently lifts dirt, dust, and body oils without fading or damaging materials. Beyond cleaning, it also adds a light protective layer that helps resist dust buildup, fingerprints, and everyday wear, keeping interiors looking newer for longer. Its simple spray and wipe application makes it extremely convenient, no rinsing, scrubbing, or buffing required, ideal for both quick touch-ups and full detailing sessions. Unlike greasy alternatives, it leaves a natural OEM-style finish that looks clean but never slippery. Additionally, its versatility extends beyond vehicles, making it useful for home and office surfaces as well. Overall, it's a reliable, time-saving interior cleaner with professional-grade results. Now number 4, Resolve Carpet Cleaner. Resolve Upholstery Cleaner is a specially formulated solution designed to safely lift dirt, stains, and odors from a wide range of household fabrics. It works effectively on common materials such as polyester, nylon, and cotton blends, making it a reliable choice for everyday fabric maintenance. This upholstery stain remover not only cleans but also refreshes surfaces, restoring a fresher and more inviting appearance to furniture and soft furnishings. It performs well against tough household stains including makeup, food grease, coffee spills, and wine marks, helping extend the life of upholstered items. For best results and safety, it is important to test the hidden area first to ensure color fastness, especially on fabrics labeled with cleanability codes W or WS. However, it is not recommended for delicate materials like velvet, silk, vinyl, or leather. Overall, Resolve delivers dependable stain removal performance with a balanced formula that combines effectiveness and fabric care, making it a practical choice for routine home cleaning. And our last choice is Incredible Stain Remover. Incredible Stain Remover is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to rescue carpets, rugs, clothing, mattresses, and upholstery from both fresh and long-set stains. Its advanced formula effectively breaks down tough messes like coffee, red wine, grease, oil, cosmetics, and even pet urine, helping prevent permanent damage to fabrics and surfaces. One of its standout features is its ease of use. Simply apply, spot, and blot, with no need for washing, rinsing, scrubbing, or vacuuming, delivering fast, almost instant results. Despite its strong stain-fighting power, the formula remains safe for the whole family. It is water-based, non-toxic, non-flammable, and non-irritating, making it suitable for homes with children and pets. This balance of strength and safety sets it apart from many harsh chemical cleaners. It also offers excellent value by combining stain removal and odor elimination in one product, reducing the need for multiple cleaners. Trusted in American households for decades, it remains a reliable choice for everyday and deep cleaning challenges. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.